Hey, what's
Go.
up? It's Daniel. We're just gonna install a little roof. I think it's like a wing or a splitter or whatever the hell it's called. And well, we do. Go. Hey, okay, it's Daniel. So we're gonna install this thing right here, just on the car here. Just something like that. Alright, so I already did this before. You see I put this 3M tape just all over. I would probably put it all over because I left gaps last time and trash got in there and then this thing came loose a little bit. Anyways, I'm gonna take this off and then I'll get back. Okay, so you want to do also is just make sure the surface is clean from like any debris. So I'm just gonna clean it real quick. Dead bugs. Okay, cool. Alright, how about you do this part?
Satisfaction. There you go. Yeah.
Cool. So kind of, you know, this middle fin towards this fin right here, the shark fin right here. And I'm gonna have David help me a little bit just so it's a little bit straight. And you literally just want to push down on it and align with the glass, I would say. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm good too, bro.
Good one, lay it on me.
You're on the glass, right? Yeah, we go. Stuck pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
That's good. Damn. Can you say, hold on, can you say race car? Or rice? I think it looks sick. Oh yeah, it does.
Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it right there. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick walk around about my car now that we installed this shark fin, whatever, tomato. So I got these visors, make the car a little bit sleek. These stickers from Express Skins. And then got some more stickers here. This was a Toyota 86 without stickers. And this carbon fiber wing.
Duck bro.
And the duck bell. Also got this carbon fiber license plate. And as you saw last video, we installed the TN or tie-in, whatever, coilovers. And these wheels from Vortex. So far they've been pretty nice. People give me a lot of compliments on it. And then I also got that Billet Works shift knob.
Can't forget the Pikachu.
Oh yeah, and the Pikachu. Straight out of Mexico.
Straight out of Mexico.
So that's pretty much, I think, all the mods so far on the Toyota 86 2019 TRD. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.